How to use a piece of copper to make key blank.
For example, this is HU66. And now we can use a piece of copper to get a key blank and then cut a key. How to operate? At first, setting, activate new version, connect Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and then click series number, connect. Generate key type, laser key blank.
Input HU66. Enter this option. It says use a piece of copper 10 mm. Click continue next. It says how to install the key blank. Follow the guiding picture to install the key on the clamp. Pay more attention to the details. Click continue. The machine is cutting the width of the key blank. One side cutting is okay. Then we have to install the other side to cut the other side. Install the key on the clamp before cleaning the key on the platform. If all is ready, please confirm. Start to cut the other side.
Key blank is okay.
Compare with the original key.
Use this key blank to cut HU66. Have a try. Cut by beating. HU66. Enter. Select one. How to install the key? Depend on the guiding picture.
Get the beatings from the original key at first. Key beatings is okay.
Use this piece of copper to cut this key. Click cut.
Next cutting. Cutting another one. Another side. Click cutting again. Compare a piece of copper, original key. Nice cutting. Have a try. Perfect cutting.